One of the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space last year was the Metaverse. Numerous projects focusing on the Metaverse emerged last year and grabbed the attention of investors. However, 2022 will see more Metaverse projects grab the headlines, thanks to the development they have in store. It also helps that one of the biggest tech companies globally, Facebook, is betting on the Metaverse. The company has already spent $10 billion on the project, which it calls the future of technology. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain will also play a vital role in that journey. But how is the Metaverse linked with the cryptocurrencies? What is the Metaverse exactly? Plus, what Metaverse tokens should you be buying? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Metaverse Economy channel. In this video, I will take a look at the developments in the Metaverse and the best coins to invest in. We will look at what the projects are developing and why you should keep an eye on them. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to catch more videos like this. Let's make a short recap of what the Metaverse is before going right to Metaverse Coins. When someone says Metaverse, they are actually referring to a virtual world. That is, the Metaverse is a virtual universe where people can shop, game, buy, and trade currencies and objects and more. Think of it as a combination of augmented reality, virtual reality, social media, gaming, and cryptocurrencies. With the Metaverse, you can conduct your work meetings virtually and feel like you were physically present. You can also do a wide range of things, including playing blockchain-based games and many more. That pretty much sums up what the Metaverse is at the moment. But as we see big tech companies invest into the concept, the Metaverse is most likely to expand to become a future iteration of the internet, allowing users to meet, work, game, and socialize in the 3D space. What are Metaverse coins? In the Metaverse, cryptocurrencies will serve as money. This is based on the blockchain concept. This naturally is where the terms Metaverse coins, Metaverse tokens, and Metaverse crypto arise from. Every Metaverse project has tokens that are used for transactions within that particular environment. These tokens are not equal, so some are more profitable than others. So, what are the biggest Metaverse coins in terms of the market capitalization that you should buy in 2022? Well, let's get to them. 1. Decentraland, Mana. In terms of popularity, Decentraland is one crypto Metaverse project that has frequently been in the news. This was partly because of the NFT craze, which also led to significant gains for the platform's native tokens, Mana. Many NFT tokens started using the platform to show off their NFTs. But NFTs aren't the only thing on this Metaverse platform. As its main feature, you can also buy virtual land, hence the name. Sotheby's, the broker of luxury goods and art, bought a plot of land in Decentraland and used it to create a replica of their London office. This goes to show that even big companies are eyeing Metaverse projects. Created in 2017, it is one of the older projects that has taken time to get recognition. Decentraland gives an opportunity to its users to purchase virtual property and then develop them as an online virtual business. The platform works by allowing players to interact with the non-fungible asset called land that can be purchased and sold. The owners of land are able to create using those tokens, so they can be used as applications, gambling services, etc. Mana tokens power the platform. It's the native cryptocurrency of Decentraland. Mana is an ERC20 token you can use for governance and also purchase land or buy any number of virtual assets and services in Decentraland. Although Mana's performance hasn't been something to write home about, its market cap impressively stands at $4.7 billion as of early 2022. The year-to-date performance has been 247.45%. 2. Axie, AXS. Axie Infinity is a Metaverse project that's closer to the definition of the Metaverse, but it's essentially a game. It can also be described as a social network where all the participants buy and sell goods and services with real money. It offers turn-based combat between teams of 3 cartoon monsters named Axies. Each Axie has special powers depending on their type: bug, bird, plant, etc., and their body parts. Axie is a unique digital object that exists on Axie's blockchain. If users want to create a new one, they must breed them by spending currencies earned within the game or purchased from an exchange. AXS is the governance token and is built on the Ethereum platform. Users earn AXS by playing the game. A token holder can vote on the game's developments. Token holders can also stake the token in order to gain more AXS. The AXS token has fared relatively well in 2021. Axie has one of the largest market caps of all Metaverse cryptos, coming in at over $2.9 billion. However, the year-to-date performance is negative 20.91%. That may not seem promising for many investors, but the coin has started to rise again in value. Even though it's based on the idea of the metaverse, there's no inclusion of VR so far, but it's based on the ideals of blockchain and crypto, which is giving control to the public. There's also virtual real estate in the Axie Infinity Metaverse, which could bring on more investors who aren't just gamers. For example, a plot recently sold for $2.3 million. 3. The Sandbox. Sand. Sandbox is a virtual metaverse that has its own token called Sand, which is an ERC20 token built on the Ethereum network. A user can stake it to earn interest or use the token to purchase in-game items within the game. Sand was consistently on the rise during 2021 and finally crossed the dollar mark in the last quarter, continuing its upwards trajectory. With a VR aspect, this project is realizing the vision of Metaverse. It's essentially a game, but is heavily based on the creation and trade of NFTs. Players can create NFTs using the Sand Metaverse tokens. Users create 3D digital items like creatures, costumes, buildings, land, etc. Those items are added to the blockchain as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and can be sold on the Sandbox's marketplace or secondary markets like OpenSea. The promising factor is that it has a limited coin supply of 3 billion tokens, of which over 680 million are in use. Its market cap stands at $3.2 billion. This token has had a year-to-date performance of 462.52%, which shows how well it's doing. 4. Star Atlas. Star Atlas is one of the gems in the metaverse space. Like many others, it is based on a game. The game shows the future, the year 2620 to be exact, where players can conquer land and collect resources in a highly futuristic setting. However, it also involves a metaverse token, Atlas, which can be earned by playing the game. Think of it as an average reward-based game where you earn coins as you play and accomplish things. But in this case, the rewards have the potential to make gains. The game is based on Solana, which gives it the advantage of the low transaction fees as compared to Ethereum-based projects. Star Atlas is still in its early stages, but the community is excited about this project. The roadmap indicates that the team is working on something unique, and the trailer available on their website also gives users something to be excited about. Atlas is trading at $0.03138, down by more than 80% from the all-time high price of $0.267549, attained on September 4, 2021. The cryptocurrency has a market cap of around $67 million. 5. Metahero. Metahero describes itself as the gateway to the metaverse. The project intends to use Ultra HD photogrammetric screening technology to bring on the next 10 million new users to cryptocurrency. The new Metaverse project revolves around creating HD avatars of real-world objects and persons using 3D scanning. The company has even installed a scanning chamber in Doha that scans objects and creates their digital 3D form of the Metahero universe. Metahero partnered with Wolf Studio, a leader in the 3D scanning world, to work on its projects. The team's introduction of metascanners in the metaverse creates numerous use cases like 3D printing, scanning network, and in-game character creation. The Metahero team has already launched its 4K HD scanners, but it's currently working on upgrading to 16K Ultra HD. The crypto hero, its native currency, has a market cap of over $320 million as of the beginning of 2022. Although it's comparatively smaller than other tokens on this list, that's because the project is very new. Hero is currently trading at $0.6217, down by 75% from the all-time high of $0.252021 it achieved on December 2, 2021. Despite its recent bearish performance, Hero is up by more than 1,400% from the all-time low price of $0.20537031. It's important to note that investing in the Metaverse coins is no different from any other investment. Don't bet all your money on just one kind of Metaverse coin. It's best to diversify and, more importantly, buy coins you think have potential. Finally, always do your research on Metaverse cryptos before investing. If you think we missed out on any other big Metaverse project and the Metaverse token that's making waves in the industry, do well tell us in the comment section below.